Si Vice President Sara Duterte lamang at ang kanyang dating security commander na si Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica ang umano'y may alam kung paano ginastos ang confidential funds ng tanggapan batay sa salaysay ng hostile witness na si Lemuel Ortonio na staff ng Office of the Vice President. Nagpaalala naman ang impeachment court sa prosecution at depensa kaugnay ng sub judice rule o pagbabawal sa pagsasalita sa publiko ukol sa merits ng trial. Ang balitang ito ni Ace Cruz.
Tanging si Vice President Sara Duterte at dating hepe ng kanyang security group na si Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica ang nakakaalam kung paano ginamit ng tanggapan ang confidential funds. Yan ang lumabas sa pagpapatuloy ng pagharap ni Office of the Vice President Assistant Chief of Staff Lemuel Ortonio bilang ikalawang hostile witness sa impeachment trial.
Base sa pagkakaalam mo, alam ba ng Vice President kung paano ito ginastos?
The way I understand it, sir, as the head of agency, I would understand that she knows the implementation, sir.
Yes, so si Colonel Lachica alam din siyempre.
Yes, sir. As the security officer.
Sinabi pa ni Ortonio na alam ng bise ang mga pinadala nitong tugon sa mga tanong ng Commission on Audit kaugnay sa paggasto sa confidential funds.
Bago po ninyo ito ginawa, yung factual representation po na iyon sa Commission on Audit, ano po yung inyong personal na ginawa to verify all of this?
I asked kung paano yung manner of release of the funds on the ground, sir, and especially yung sa medical and food aid, sir. And what was relayed to me, sir, was that the funds were released to the informants or the agents through cash, and then based on their representation that they would need these funds for the purchase of medicines.
Confidentiality may limit what can be disclosed to the public, but it cannot erase yung accountability within the government.
Pero hindi kontento ang ilang senator judge sa mga sagot ng hostile witness.
Napakatalino mong tao, parang nagmaang-maangang ka. Again, is it blind loyalty?
Sa cross-examination ng depensa, tinanong nito ang hostile witness kung bakit hindi nagsumite ang OVP ng Physical and Financial Plan na mag-request ito ng confidential funds sa Department of Budget and Management noong 2022.
Based on my understanding, ma'am, attaching the PFP is not required to the letter request, ma'am.
Isinumite rin nila ito kalaunan pero iginiit na hindi naman sila sinita ng DBM.
You will confirm also that the DBM even recommended the approval of your request to the Office of the President after your submission of those documents, correct?
Yes, ma'am, that's correct, ma'am.
Nagpaalala rin si Presiding Officer Francis Escudero na maigpit na ipatutupad ang sub judice rule na nagbabawal sa magkabilang panig na pag-usapan ang merits ng trial sa labas ng korte.
As they directly threaten the independence of the court, degrade the dignity of the tribunal, and risk turning it into a circus, and weaponize the media to substitute public outrage for actual evidence.
Kasabay ito ng pagtalakay sa ruling sa manifestation ng depensa laban sa post ni Private Prosecutor Attorney Amando Ligutan sa kanyang social media account. Sa Martes, September 1, nakatakda ang susunod na impeachment trial. Para sa Balitang A to Z, Ace Cruz.